At last, you came to see me.
Well, so I sincerely understand how you feel. But you see, I've been busy with school and my schedule is so tight. Right now I'm trying to round up for my law exams. This period is my final exams. So if I don't concentrate, I'll lose everything I've worked for. I'll fail my exams, that's what I mean. Have you been?
You have seen me. So tell me, how have I been? How am I?
So babe, I know how you feel, okay? Deep down, I know. But don't forget, I will still keep to my promise, okay? Once I'm done, I'll come and get you out.
Baby.
That's true. I actually brought you food. I've tested it already before coming here. It's rice and chicken. Favorite.
Who's she?
So this is not what we have to talk about here, okay? But we have limited time. I think the word of the 10 minutes to
Baby, she just asked you what. Answer her.
the word that's telling us to do because of time. It was very understand.
Good for you. This is your property. I don't want to see you with my eyes. Get out of this compound.
Where am I going to?
Get out!
I
said get out!
Whose place?
Get out!
Only me.
Get out!
Only me.
Yes. Hey. Come. With your talk of business, get out! Get out! I said get out!
I'll go my bag.
No, hey. With your talk of business, get out!
Where will I put all
Get out! Sobe, get out!
How will I push everything?
Sobe, get out!
Oh,
Get out!
Where will I?
Hey, get out!
Okay, where will I?
Get out! Leave. Sobe, I said get out.
The mixer rain. What?
Everything out. Sobe, I said get out.
Go!
Where is your father and your brother? Where is your father and your brother?
What is this? Eh? Oh, you have come to collect your own beating, right?
What did you say?
Me? What?
What is this? You want to fight, eh? No, you want to fight. Hey! Papa, leave him! Papa, leave him! Papa, leave him! You want to fight? Alice! Papa, leave him! Papa! Okay, if I can't get up again. Okay. No. Leave me and Alice. Leave Alice. Okay. Alice, it's me and you. Alice, you now. Alice, you now. Alice, you now.